In this video, we will tell you the 8 steps that will make you rich in this year. The common problem of most people is that they think they will need a huge time, like 10 years to become rich, but with these steps you can get rich very quickly. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss some crucial information. Now let's start. 1. Spend less than you earn. One key to building wealth is to spend less than you earn. In simple words, make sure to avoid spending beyond your means. That's it. However, few individuals adhere to this guidance. Many prioritize maximizing their spending. Many people in developed countries enjoy the feeling of being wealthier than they truly are, among other reasons. Indeed, 55% of Americans have reported breaking even or spending more than they earn each month, as per a survey conducted by the Pew Charitable Trusts. The survey gathered responses from 7,000 U.S. households. 2. Make sure to save 20% of your income. The survey conducted by an organization revealed that a third of Americans do not have any savings. To build wealth, it's essential to set aside a minimum of 20% of your earnings right from the start. We've all heard this before, but how many individuals truly adhere to this guidance? Remember the importance of prioritizing paying yourself first. While some may not see the value in this, others understand that it not only serves as a safety net for emergencies, but also as quick access to funds for unexpected opportunities. When the perfect opportunity arises, having the necessary funds is crucial to take advantage of it. If you lack the funds, you have missed a valuable opportunity. Another survey found that almost half of all Americans do not have any retirement savings. It's worth noting that almost 70% of the U.S. population have less than $1,000 in the form of savings accounts, leaving them vulnerable to a financial crisis with just one small emergency. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and secrets, then just press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Keep a detailed record of expenses. This is the next step to achieving financial success. Be sure to carefully monitor every single penny you spend. It's not only about the major costs. Every single expense you incur should be meticulously tracked. Benjamin Franklin once warned, "Beware of small expenses." Even a minor leak can cause a significant amount of damage to a large ship. Paying attention to the small things can greatly benefit you in the long run. It's time to cancel that gym membership you haven't used in 6 months. Get rid of that expensive cable TV package. Avoid purchasing costly lattes and dining out if it's beyond your budget. Consider downloading an app or buying a small notebook to meticulously record all expenses, regardless of their size. Create charts and graphs to visualize those expenses over time using commonly used software. You can use the app Every Dollar for this purpose. Track your expenses and monitor your spending. How much can you allocate to savings each month that is currently being spent frivolously? Let me know in the comments. 4. Get rid of bad debt. Not all debt should be viewed negatively. Having some debt can be beneficial. Debts like revolving credit card debt and high-interest rate loans are considered unfavorable. You must work on eliminating your outstanding debt. This is particularly true if you're only making the monthly payments. It's challenging to build wealth if a significant portion of your earnings goes towards paying interest on past expenses. Identify the card or loan with the highest interest rate and increase the minimum payments until it's fully paid off. Next, proceed to the following item. What's next? Until everything has been used up. Once you have cleared your bad debts, redirect that money towards your savings. One key is to avoid spending money on a getaway or a new car once you have paid off your debts. Keep your attention on the task at hand. 5. Secure ownership of your home. For the majority of individuals, their home represents their largest financial investment. Nevertheless, a significant portion of the global population chooses to rent their residences. Renting temporarily is fine, But owning your home is crucial for financial stability. Renting may not lead to immediate wealth, but it allows you to contribute to someone else's mortgage. Essentially, you are contributing to someone else's wealth. Regardless of the sacrifices you may need to make, it's important to prioritize buying a home. Meet with a mortgage broker to evaluate your current situation. Establish objectives and develop a strategic approach. Even if you currently lack sufficient funds for a down payment, determine the steps needed to purchase your home. This isn't about your ideal residence. Over time, investing in your mortgage is a more beneficial financial decision compared to paying rent. 6. Eliminate your bad habits. Unproductive habits can hinder our progress in reaching various objectives. They prevent us from losing weight, increasing our income, saving, investing, and everything in between. To truly progress in life, it's essential to eliminate those negative habits. It's important to break away from negative habits before they take a serious toll on your well-being. Accomplishing a goal like becoming wealthy can be challenging if you don't address your negative habits first. It's not just about financial habits. It's also about any other habit that negatively impacts you, whether physically, emotionally, or mentally. Success in any endeavor requires not only eliminating detrimental habits, but also incorporating positive habits to ensure future success and progress. 7. Establish daily objectives. Achieving financial success is a significant objective. Yet, it's not enough to just express a desire for wealth. Firstly, it's important to have a precise number and a clear target date for achieving it. That is the broader perspective. Aside from the broader perspective, it's important to establish daily goals. Setting daily goals helps you track your progress towards your larger objectives. Divide the major objective into manageable daily tasks to make it less daunting. For instance, if you aim to achieve a $10 million net worth within the next 5 years of time, determine the daily actions required to progress towards that objective. It can be challenging to save towards a significant financial goal when starting from a low point. Compound interest is a potent tool that can help you grow your savings through smart investments, even if you don't save a large amount initially. 8. Make sure to effectively manage your time. We all have an equal amount of time in this world. Everyone has the same amount of resources and time. Whether they're a prominent politician, a successful business leader, or a renowned athlete, they have the same amount of time as you. Time is the ultimate equalizer in life. What truly counts is the efficient utilization of the time available to us. Every day is filled with valuable moments that can be wasted. There is no way to become wealthy by spending time on unimportant activities. Establish a smart and effective time monitoring system to help you stay on track towards your objectives. That's all for today. Now you know all the steps that can actually make you rich this year. With these steps, any person can become rich. Press the red subscribe button below if you want to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to become rich. If you loved watching this video and enjoyed knowing the steps, then just do hit the like button. One like motivates us to make more amazing financial videos. Well, don't forget to share this video with all of your friends, relatives, cousins, and family members so that they could also learn and become a millionaire. You must try to work in proper steps to become rich. If you could do these, then you could get rich. Sir Warren Buffett also suggested these tips for people to follow. He also says that you should invest your money and follow better money habits. You may invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and many other assets. Well, I have also seen many people who are actually rich, but they think themselves as poor and get into sadness. But don't get depressed if you are thinking yourself as poor because you might be the one who is rich. Well, we have already made a detailed video on that topic. Click on the video appearing on the left side to know whether you are actually rich or not. Thanks for watching.